Hey guys, let's make a super quick and easy recipe today. So what we're making today is devil's egg. Let's get some boiling water. Now while the eggs are boiling, let's chop up some green onions. I'm gonna add a bit of parsley. Now roughly chop. Okay, now that is done. I'm gonna pour out the hot water and then fill it up with cold water and slowly peel off the shell of the eggs. I'm gonna slice the eggs into half. So I'm gonna have some mayonnaise. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok's fire chili paste, and then I'm gonna dig out all this egg yolk. Add all the spring onion, and now give it a good mix. Okay, and if you have a piping bag, you can pipe this sauce into, or this mixture into the eggs, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna scoop some and put it in. I'm gonna add some parsley on top. Alright guys, time to try our devil's egg. Wow, this is awesome. It's got like a nice creamy center with a good bite to it. If you're thinking of doing a party or even like a picnic, you should try this recipe out. If you got any questions or any suggestions, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Alright?